In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use filters and effects here on WhatsApp video calls. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to do is actually open up WhatsApp and go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, just scroll down a little bit, and what you're looking for is privacy on here. Open that up and then just scroll down and make sure that camera effects are actually turned on here. If you scroll down a little bit, you should see the camera effects option on here. Tick it on just like so. It'll load for a second like it's doing for me right now, and then you just have to hit continue and you'll be good to go. Now from here, you just have to go ahead and start a video call, and during that call, just tap the effects icon on there. So for example, if I go ahead and let's just take a picture actually. You're going to see like a little wand icon on here. As you can see, if I move my finger right there, you can kind of see it. Select that just like so, and then from here you're going to see all of your video effects that you can obviously go ahead and put on there. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you guys do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.